To download a game, you need to start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and then play games. You do this by going to Google and searching for Steam. Look for the link store.steampowered.com and click on it to go to the website. At the top of the website, click Install Steam and select your platform. This will download the Steam setup onto your computer. Click on it to open it up and follow the setup process. Clicking Next, selecting the destination folder, and pressing Install. After installing Steam, open it up and log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, creating one is a simple process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Steam store by hovering over the Store button and pressing Featured. Then, go to the search box and type in the name of the game, Mount Washing, and press Enter. Click on the gear icon, and then click View and filter the search results. Uncheck the box that says Hide Ignored Items, so it becomes gray. The game should now appear in the list. Press on it, and then click View Page. Scroll down until you see the option to add the game to your cart. Press Add Cart, and then View My Cart. Select whether you want to buy the game for yourself or as a gift. And press Continue to Payment. Choose a payment method from the drop-down menu and press Continue. Go through the checkout process. Pay for the game, and buy it. Once you've bought the game, it will be added to your Steam library. Find the game by clicking Library, checking Games, and looking for Mount Washing in the list. Click it and press the big blue Install button next to it. Then select if you want to create a desktop shortcut, and which drive you'd like to install the game. Pick a drive, and press Install, and the game will be installed to your computer. Once installed, you'll get a notification, and you can launch the game by pressing the green play button. The game will launch, and you can start playing.